Name is Grace Garrido. I am 35 years old. I am from Cebu City. I am a single parent. I have one daughter. She is 16 years old. I graduated a one-year course as a nursing aide. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, reading books, and play with the children. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years and 8 months from May 2012 to January 2021. I serve a couple aged 50 and 45 years old together with their child aged 4 and 6 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking, gardening, cleaning, ironing, car washing. I want to work in Hong Kong because it is a great place to work and the salary is good. And I believe if I work there, I can support the needs of my family. I am willing to take good care of a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song. To my future employer, please choose me as one of your helper because I am honest, hardworking, and very willing to learn. I promise I will do my best to take good care of your family and finish my contract. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.